Hello everyone, we'll continue with the topic different ways through which the living organisms adapt themselves to the changing environment. We have already completed the two. Now the third one, the two which we have completed are regulate and conform. Now the third one is migrate. Migration means temporary movement of the organisms from unfavorable places to the suitable ones till the weather conditions become suitable. Means if the weather conditions are not suitable for the living organisms, they move from their own habitat to the new habitat for temporary period of time, for short period of time. And again when the temperature or when the weather conditions are favorable, the organisms return to their original habitat. Example is of Siberian crane. Okay, Siberian crane, they move from Siberia during very cold winters and they come to our country India. And when again in Siberia the weather conditions are proper, they migrate to their own original habitat. Okay, one more example, during May and June when it is very hot in Delhi, people move from Delhi to Bangalore where temperature is lower. This is a very simple example. Okay, the fourth way through which the living organisms can adapt themselves is suspend, which means halt or pause. Okay, so organisms, they escape or they hide or they remain inactive during unfavorable conditions. When the conditions are not favorable, at that time the organisms escape, they hide themselves or they remain inactive. They do not do any type of work. Okay, and there are different ways through which the organisms suspend themselves. The first one is hibernation, which means winter sleep. Okay, during winters the organisms undergo deep sleep so they can conserve energy. Okay, for example, the bear, ground squirrels, mouse, this all organisms, they undergo deep sleep during winter season. When the temperature is very low, they sleep for the complete season and they conserve energy. Okay, the second one is dormancy, which is the state of inactiveness. Okay, and during this stage, dormancy stage, the seeds do not germinate as there is less probability of survival of the seedlings. Okay, so as there is less probability that the seedling can survive, the seeds do not germinate only, they undergo resting period, they undergo the static period, and that is called dormancy. And this dormancy, when the seeds undergo dormancy, okay, that is the seeds undergo physical dormancy, and physical dormancy is observed by the formation of seed coat. Right. The third process through which the organism suspend is estivation. Okay, hibernation is the winter deep sleep, whereas estivation is again deep sleep but during the summer seasons. Okay, so fishes get into inactive mode during very hot or dry conditions. This is the example when the external temperatures are very high, when it is very hot or when it is very dry, the organisms undergoes resting period and they conserve energy. Right, so fishes, they get into inactive mode during very hot and dry conditions. So that is all about the ways through which different living organisms can adapt themselves. Right, we'll continue with the further topics in our next video.